This is an announcement. Due to budget cuts, this episode will be using puppets instead of being animated.
¿Por qué?
Hey, Pencil, how's it going?
Oh, nothing. Just looking at clouds.
Watching clouds, huh? You seem pretty bored. Let's go do something fun, like jumping off a cliff. Pencil, I didn't mean it literally.
Oh, you didn't mean it literally?
No,
So we're not cliff jumping?
no.
Let's watch clouds with pen.
Yeah!
Why, in fact, I am. Doing what?
Oh, you know.
Oh, cool. I want one. Awesome.
I want one too. Yay, I have one too. Ha ha ha! These losers look like they're having so much fun with their dolls. Yeah. Ah, ew. Ah.
Ew.
Yeah. I've been rescued.
Spongy, what happened to you?
Whoa.
It's great to be puppets. Yay! 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 Hooray!